Hey everybody, I've got a fun visualization to show you guys today. I've been working on the rate of spread and how the fire burns and the logistics on that. And one of the things that I hadn't completely finished was including the slope as a factor in how fast a fire burns. You know, a fire will burn faster uphill than downhill. So I wanted to try to create a visualization on the rate of spread over time, right? Kind of create kind of like a history, so to speak. So I came up with this idea, and let me show you what it is. Okay, so we've got some nice mountains here. Yeah, I think this should be a good example. We've got some cliffs here that won't burn. Let's try it right here. Okay, so let's say we have a little lightning strike, and it just strikes right here. Now I'm going to increase the game speed by 300 times. So it's going to burn really, really fast here. All right, so as it's burning here, there's a few things you'll notice. It's going to burn faster in the direction of the wind, but it also burns significantly faster uphill versus downhill. So we're going to see here as the time spreads. Uh, One of the things that I have done as well, and this is the visualization of the rate of spread is right here. From this point here to here is 1 hour. And at the beginning of every hour, the background color that when it dies becomes very dark. And then as the hour progresses, it gets lighter and lighter until the next hour begins. And so you can see here every hour, right like this, you can see this is where the fire started and it spread over this for the first hour, and then the second hour, the third hour, the fourth hour, okay? And now we're into the fifth hour here. And as you can see, it is burning much faster uphill, but it's also considering the wind as a factor as well. So you can see here that it's not only like burning downhill, but it's kind of going against the wind as well, right? So that's why you can see that the fire hasn't traveled too far here in comparison to the front of the fire here that's spreading way over here. And it creates this really wonderful visualization. It's a history, it's a timestamp, so to speak, as the fire is progressing. Um, so yeah, I think that's about it. This is again going at an immense rate. So this is not game playing speed. This is obviously just for this demonstration. But it is a wonderful pattern. I mean, it looks really kind of fun. You can see exactly how this fire has spread. Um, and look at that, just going up the mountains in these streams here. Yes. And look at that. I mean, I've gone through how many hours in just about 3 minutes. So the calculations are quite efficient. And that is because it's all server side. So it's not that my computer's creating all of these calculations, the server is. So this makes it much faster. All right, I think that's it for me today. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time. Bye.